Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren suspends issuance of ILP to outsiders entering Manipur amid COVID-19 threat. Students from Manipur stranded in Malaysia seek help for evacuation as government has banned entry in the country in a view of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. India reports a third coronavirus casualty from highest infected state, Maharashtra. Positive cases of COVID-19 in India reached 137. US begins first human trial to evaluate investigational vaccine against novel coronavirus disease COVID-19. And President of Theatre Mirror Manipur, Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepa warns government of unprecedented protest to facilitate people working in the field of art and culture. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Raukumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren has suspended issuance of ILP to outsiders entering the state amid COVID-19 threat. Speaking on the sidelines of an inspection visit at the old airfield in Koirengay today, Chief Minister N. Biren said public apprehension over transmission of COVID-19 is on the high, stating that there is not a single confirmed case of coronavirus in Manipur yet. He said the decision to ban issuance of ILP was taken to prevent any risk of contracting coronavirus. He said ILP counters in and outside the state have been instructed to stop issuing ILP with immediate effect from today. The Chief Minister urged people to take necessary precautions to avoid mass gatherings and to heed experts' advice to prevent the disease.
Seeing the prevailing situation of coronavirus, the state government will issue today cancelling the ILP's issuing of ILP pass from today onward from the outside Manipur, Babans, Guwahati, Delhi, wherever we are going to prohibit it.
Speaking about the inspection, Chief Minister N. Biren said Hengang constituency provides maximum lands for army and paramilitary forces in the state. He said the state government is making efforts to relocate the existing army camps in the old airfield to other convenient locations in the near future. Biren disclosed that relevant documents for the same have been already submitted to the centre. Konthoksam MLA Dr. S. Ranjan, Kurai MLA L. Susindro and Yeshkul MLA T. Setabratha accompanied the Chief Minister.
This area can be vacated for the purpose of the public. As per the norms also, it was given for a particular purpose. They are not using it. So I am requested already to the Honorable Union Defence Minister. He is kind enough. He has ordered to have meeting with the state officials and they have met 2-3 times. And today's visit is I want to see the exact situation condition of the area personally. So I have seen and I will convey to the Honorable Union Defence Minister so that within the habitat area that army construction is not suitable. So if required, government is ready to give somewhere.
A student from Manipur and his friends are stranded in Malaysia as the Indian government has banned entry in the country in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. The stranded youth is Thaunautum Kelvin, a student of University of Perpetual Health System Delta in Las Piñas City, Philippines. Kelvin and his friends were reportedly on their way back to India via Kuala Lumpur. However, upon landing in Malaysia, they were informed that the Indian government has banned entry to India. The Philippines government has given them 72 hours to evacuate the country. The stranded students have urged the government to evacuate them at the earliest. Imphal West District BJP Manipur Pradesh raised awareness on coronavirus COVID-19 today. 4-page COVID-19 awareness pamphlet was released at the event. The awareness program was held at the MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan's quarter in Lumphel today. Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Moirangthem Ashni Kumar, President of Imphal West District BJP Manipur Pradesh PH Phoni, Lamsang Sekmai Wangoi, Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa and Konthokzam BJP Mandal presidents and party members took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra appealed to people to come out for testing if they suspect of being infected with coronavirus. MLA Subhash Chandra said his test came out negative. Speaking to media, party Vice President M. Ashni Kumar said the mass awareness program was held under a strict instruction of BJP National Office. He also mentioned that 50,000 coronavirus awareness pamphlets have been printed to be distributed among the people of Imphal West. Kangla board has banned entry into the Kangla fort till March 31st in view of COVID-19 threat. India reported its third COVID-19 fatality with the death of a 64-year-old man from Mumbai with a travel history to Dubai on Tuesday. Confirmed cases of COVID-19 in India has reached 137. Total 14 people have recovered and 120 are active cases in India. Maharashtra, along with 39 positive coronavirus cases reported so far, is the most infected state in the country. The virus has affected 127 countries, infecting 1,88,356 people worldwide, out of which 80,848 people have recovered and 7,499 people have died. COVID-19 has killed 3,226 people in China alone, 2,158 in Italy and 988 people in Iran. Mite Irog Irek Loina Silon Apunbaluf Milal has appealed to titular King Leisemba Sanajauba to withdraw his decision to join the electoral politics of India. Speaking to media at Milal head office at BT Road today, Milal General Secretary Huirom Loikomba expressed apprehension that the titular king's decision will lead to a second merger agreement.
Ining thausi lebaki yamna chauraba lebakna yamna nuksijana thammiba amusung yokhatuna thammiba akoi inat ki oiba posa kaibe yadraba pot amani amusung khoigi luching purel oja akaba layukhreba oja akabaga amusung ining thauga hona biramduna nasi akhoigi irol yeg asi class 1 dagi tamukpha tamukpadagi MA gi thak phawa tamgadawre ining thauna sida saugotpiduna lebaki damakta khanbiduna amusung akhoigi milalgi thaumina handak su ining thaugi mafamda punna thaumi nongna paigadawa wasakpa lawgiba ining thaugi mafamda wasakhibido thaumi singsisu nunangba phawre amanu ining thauna sigi matangda munna khanthabiraga ining thauna thangiba khungthang adu handopinaba milalgi maikaidagi haijari.
All Kanglei Park Students' Union AKSU has condemned titular King Leisemba Sanajauba's decision to contest Rajya Sabha elections on a BJP ticket and has demanded him to quit being a titular king. A team of All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko, led by its General Secretary, has inspected Sampui and Chasad villages. Amuko has appealed to the government to resolve the land controversies of the villages and ease their plights at the earliest. Speaking to media at Amuko office in Kwakaitel today, Amuko General Secretary Laishram Thothoi said Amuko team including Amuko Vice President Sarat Golmai, advisor Yangsonan Koireng and former member of Amuko Bichu Sarma interacted with the victims of the tragic incident yesterday. He said more than 200 houses were burnt down, destroying vehicles and many household properties in the tragic incident. Laishram Thoithoi termed it unfortunate that despite informing Jasad police station and 42nd Assam Rifles posted in the area about the brewing land controversies, they failed to prevent the incident. Assuring of all possible help from Amuko, the Amuko General Secretary appealed to the government and the people of the state to extend necessary help to the victims.
Lairiba 42 Assam Rifle ki boising ki maikai degi hariba madubu section thorang lokhatpa aduga problem sing adu solve tongna bagi honabagi mahuta mohoi kana su tholakite mai sakpata su ising kanba matamda ising haidana mai kanana bagi honaba matamda su kana gumba matang ki hariba boising ki maikai degi tholaktana mai sakba mahilang ko thoi basida kanbagi wafam ta leite police ki strength solaga su pau piba yai madu su pau pibida bagi ahoba masu lai lairiba khuding maksidana sagi nakal animaki oina lokhatpam thokpa mohoi ki thaudang amata laukite aduna maram oidana yamna henna pak sauna asigumba tamthiba yum kai chaki bagi thodo si thoki bane nai chachat amasung sampui ani khulani ki marta leiba land dispute ki wafam ase government na athuba matamda masima athuba matamda lotion bigadabani.
Meanwhile, Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch has extended necessary kitchen items and other essential to the victims' villages of Jasad in Kamjong district. 10-member team led by IRCS MSB Chairman Dr. Y. Mohan donated the essentials to the villages. Kokomi has appealed to people of the state not to convert yesterday's tragic incident at Jasad village in Kamjong district into a communal issue. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam condemned the incident and appealed to those concerned not to repeat such incident. Stating that Manipur is inhabited by different communities, Sunil Karam appealed to people not to create communal disharmony out of the tragic incident in an effort to take political mileage. He appealed to everyone to take steps to revive peace and strengthen ties among the villages. Sunil Karam also urged the government to look into the matter and bring timely resolutions at the earliest to prevent such mishaps in the future.
Tongan bakul anigi wahou sida thoki badugi achum chumda dudi lengak nasu inquiry committee ama sema banina madugidi achum chumda gi lejaragani thoiba thadok sida miam punamangna apunba Manipur amagi wakhalol amada yengminarakana khul amana natraga community amana nungaitaba natraga awabada aikoi mateng pangmin nadragadi tungi future leiroi habase Kokomi gi maikai digi lumna laujabana maram marakanda khunja singna ani sida pamdaba thodok thoi singse makhatana thoktanabo honabada kunja ani singnasu wakal amasung mieng taraga na khanbirakanda aikoi lamdam sida leiminariba Kokomi gi maikai digi Manipur lengang nasu aikoi punna nungsi chanaba marima porakmina
Kokomi gi official team amakha athubutam chalaga hoji khudong thiba nangaba awaba singda tengbang bagi thabak su aikoi lokhanaba aikoi kana honajari yum mai chaktana awaba nangaba khunja singdo maduda government nasu mieng changbiraga hoji hoji awaba tarba singdugi tengbang bibinaba amadi hana mahausagi leijar batangdu la yaba punchi do hanjilaknaba hona bibigi adugi mieng du changjani gi.
Proscribed Manipur Naga People's Front MNPF in a press release has strongly condemned yesterday's crisis at Jasad village in Kamjong district. The proscribed outfit has assured of extending necessary assistance to the aggrieved villages. MNPF has urged all the communities of the state to forget all past animosity and to live together in peace and harmony. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights YFPHR urges state government and Manipur Human Rights Commission to probe the recent Jasad village crisis and to provide necessary relief materials to the victims at the earliest. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on distraught father of Gurumayum Roberto seeking help for his cancer-afflicted son. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Distraught father of Gurumayum Roberto, who topped COSIM Class 12 examination in 2019, has pleaded to help his cancer-afflicted son. Gurumayum Roberto from Kongba Khetri Lekai is undergoing chemotherapy for first stage blood cancer under Dr. I. Anil at Jenims Hospital. He appeared for Class 12 exam from Sangai Higher Secondary School and is currently a student of Commerce College in Guwahati. Speaking to media at the isolation ward of Jenims Medicine today, Roberto's father, G. Anand, said his son was sent for further studies at Guwahati to pursue his dreams of becoming a chartered accountant. He expressed grief that his family is unable to meet the expenses for Roberto's treatment. The distraught father appealed to people of the state to extend necessary help for his son's treatment.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯅꯦꯛꯂꯒ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯐꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯇꯥ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯆꯪꯒꯔꯦ.
The first human trial to evaluate investigational vaccine against coronavirus disease 2019 has begun in Seattle. Supported by a global coalition founded by India and Norway, the US has begun the phase 1 clinical trial of an investigational vaccine designed to protect against the coronavirus disease, which has claimed the lives of over 7,000 people globally. The trial began at the Kaiser Permanente Washington Health Research Institute in Seattle as the first participant received the investigational vaccine yesterday. The U.S. National Institutes of Health NIH in a statement said that the open-label trial will enroll 45 healthy adult volunteers aged 18 to 55 years over approximately 6 weeks. President of Theatre Mirror Manipur, Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepam has declared that people working in the field of art and culture of Manipur will rise to take away their plights in preserving the dying art and culture. He was speaking on the sidelines of an exclusive meet of people working in the field of arts and culture of Manipur, organized jointly by Manipur State Sumanglila Council and Theatre Centre, Manipur, at Iboyaima Sumanglila Sanglen in Palace Compound today. Naba Warepam appreciated the BJP-led state government for launching Chief Minister Gi Artist Singhi Tengbang CMAT scheme on completion of its 3-year rule in Manipur. Nevertheless, he stressed on the need for the government to take adequate measures to preserve and promote the state's art and culture. He warned that the people in the field of art and culture will start an unprecedented move if the government failed to take necessary steps. Naba Warepam also said the meeting has decided to suspend showcasing of Sumanglila performances until March 31st in the wake of COVID-19 threat.
Hojik Lairiba Arenda culture gi Pibama Shidi intensive care unit Lairiba Siga Pankak Oiba Aiko se Mangam Sandraba Yam Pakta Duna Lairaba Anaba Maga Chapman and Lauraba Adugumba Arenda culture gi Pibam the Lady Lengak Logi Togdang Loviribana Amadi culture gi Bibak Pubiriba Singsina Asom de Miang Sangshin Bidadana culture the Yang Viriba Miang Asimukti on Tongna Tamoy shocking aini Kunaya Sibu Kananabagi Wakalonda Aquina Sigumba Itiashi Oiba Kongyanga Sangshin Javani Manipuri culture Kanche Akwegi tradition among Ravada Manipuri Kunai Mangragani
5 days training program for 23 field trainers who will be carrying out duties during 2021 census in Thoubal and Kakching districts kicked off today. Directorate of Census Operation and District Administration Thoubal organized the training program at the election counting hall of Thoubal DC complex. All Jiribam Muslim Socio-Economic and Cultural Development Organization has appealed to the state government to make reservations for Bengali Muslim and Bengali Hindu inhabitants of Jiribam district during the delimitation process. Speaking to media at El Amin School in Sonapur of Jiribam today, Acting General Secretary of the organization, Mohammad Abdul Rauf Laskar said, development of a community requires efficient political backing. He appealed to the authorities concerned to carry out the delimitation process properly.
Minority Bengali, Muslim, amasung Bengali Hindu sing educationally amasung financially yamna sothana lairiba asibu kokhanaba pambaidi political shaktina kokhanba namgani haina thajai jirida lairiba minority singi khanbiduna niyom chumna tobinaba reservation thambinaba haujik paliba sarkar governor amasung delimitation commission da appeal tawjari.
Irate locals have blocked half of Imphal Ukhrul Road near Nongada Wanglaikai under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East. Sources said locals blocked the road, restricting vehicular movement after a Class 11 appearing student met with an accident this morning. People of the area appealed to authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Streets of Wangkai Asangbam Leirak and Ningthem Pukri Mapal Devi Pakha Leirak in Wangkai constituency are finally lighted up today. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Thangjam Arun Kumar, has sponsored necessary electric bulbs and electric wires for the same. A committee will also be formed to ensure proper street lightenings in the area. Former cooperator of Ward number 21, Ketrimim Umesh, and people of the area attended the street lightening event kicked off by Thangjam Arun Kumar. Maruti Suzuki Company's petrol run Vitara Brezza was launched at Eastern Motors Maruti Suzuki Arena in Chingmerom today. Speaking on the occasion, the manager of Maruti Suzuki Arena, KSH Bisorjit, said booking for the car is now available at the Maruti Suzuki Arena Chingmerom and its 5 outer outlets in Senapati, Kakching, Thoubal, Bishnupur and Churachandpur districts. He added that car loan facility is available. Ex-showroom price of the car ranges between 7,33,000 rupees to 11 lakh rupees.
Yam kuina ngairakpa khoi Brezza petrol ngasi launch tawre masi K15 petrol engine ni mileage manual da 17.03 km per liter pi aduga 18.76 aduna automatic ta su phangani sigi Brezza kano se petrol se aduga masi da natana amanba gari dagi ahan basigi se adum powerful gari Brezza all new petrol Brezza se si exchange tawbagi facility chu pijari aduga ain hajabadi test drive tawbagi da makta अखोगी ईस्टर्न मोटर एरेना चिंगमैरोंगदा अमुक्तंग मयाम लाकपिदुना टेस्ट ड्राइव तौबिरगा मसीगी पावरफुल ओइबा गाड़ी से अमतंग येंगबिनबा आइना मयामदा हाइजरी.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren suspends issuance of ILP to outsiders entering Manipur amid COVID-19 threat. Students from Manipur stranded in Malaysia seek help for evacuation as government has banned entry in the country in the view of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. India reports a third coronavirus casualty from highest infected state, Maharashtra. Positive cases of COVID-19 in India reached 137. US begins first human trial to evaluate investigational vaccine against novel coronavirus disease COVID-19. And President of Theatre Mirror Manipur, Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepam warns government of unprecedented protest to facilitate people working in the field of art and culture.